Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope that you are all good. Today's video I have a mini Charlie's nail art haul to share with you all. I've been really excited to share these few items, so I hope you all enjoy watching. Jumping straight in, we have their 3mm rhinestones in lilac. Now these are super pretty. I love the fact that they're lilac because it's one of my favorite colors, but they have the super pretty iridescent color shift to them, so I'm really excited to give them a go. Then we have these really adorable golden bunny heads. Just how cute are these? I can't wait to get them in a Easter set of nails. I quite like the metal charms from Charlie's, especially when doing theme sets for like Christmas or Valentine's, or in this case Easter. Next up we have some water decals, and I loved these because they included the chicks and some flowers and little different bits and bobs. I'm really excited to pop them in a set, but these ones out of the two have to be my favourite. I love the pretty florals that are on this one because you will also be able to use these after Easter as well. Next up I have some foils, and I just wanted to say I'm really loving how Charlie's Nail Art are now packaging their foils. I've decided to keep mine on this little roll that they come on, and they slip in my business card folder that I use for storing my foils nicely, and I'm able to just keep a little bit of tape on it and pull off whatever I need to use, and I find it just really easy for storage. So that's such a fab idea from Charlie's. Now this first one is called Red Roses, and I love the bright colours on this one. It's definitely going to be one that I'm going to use a lot in spring summer. Now the second foil I have is a little bit brighter, this one. So this one's called Floral Delight, and it's got a few different colours on it, which I do quite like because it means you can pair it with lots of different colours. Say for example in a gel polish set, and the foil can just really bring all of the colours that you want to use together. It's a super pretty one. Here we have some more nail gems. So these are their unicorn AB ones, and they're kind of like a diamond / horse eye shape, which are my go-to shape whenever I'm using any rhinestones or crystals in a set. And again, like those lilac gems I showed at the start, they have that really pretty iridescent pearl effect to them. I thought that they would pair together nicely in a set. And then here we have some of their bright 3D nail art flowers. You can get these in a couple of different colours, but I thought the orange looked perfect for summer nails. And one of the other things that I wanted to point out to you guys is they're slightly curved, so they fit onto the nail perfectly. I've got a long set of acrylic extensions here, and I was just showing you can get them to lie quite flat on the nail because of that little curve that's in them. And I've saved the absolute best to last. Here we have the glitters. So I've got 5 glitters to share with you all. The first one is called Vibrance, and this is one of the Charlie's Nail Art Sequin mixes. So there's no fine glitter pieces in here. They're all quite chunky. But what I loved about this one is, of course, there's a great selection of colours, but they've got some gold dots in there as well. So you've got a bit of a shine against the matte colours of the flowers and the different, there's some hexes in there, some diamonds. It's just a really fun mix. I think it's going to be great for summer. Next up we have a dot mix. Now I absolutely love glitter dots. These ones are like they're called rainbow, but they're kind of like a dark pastel colour, which was quite different to anything that I've got in my nail art kit. So I'm really looking forward to getting these in a set. Again, they're just going to be able to create some really fun nails. Next up we have a multi-cut glitter mix. So this one is called Joyful. Now in the pack it looks quite dark, but one of the things I absolutely loved is once I'd emptied it and potted it up, a lot of the glitter pieces in here are kind of see-through with that green and pink iridescent colour shift to them. So I was really amazed with how pretty this one looked, and it's definitely one that I'm going to have to give a go in a glitter fade set. Now this one really tricked me. When I was looking at it in the pack, it looked like quite a fine glitter mix. So then again, I opened it up, popped it into my glitter pot, and I was amazed to see there's quite a few chunky pieces in here as well. You've got some hearts, some little bunny heads, and again, it's just another really fun mix, which is what I love, because these kind of mixes, it's a time of year where Easter nails and spring nails, they're all quite fun, so it's cool to have mixes like this. And I also really love any kind of multi-cut glitter mix. Now lastly, we have Orange Zest, which is a super fine bright neon orange glitter mix. Now before the video ends, I just wanted to take a moment to say I do have a discount code for Charlie's Nail Art, which I will leave linked in the description box below, as well as a link to the Charlie's website, so do check that out. This was only a really quick short video, but I just thought I would share these few goodies with you all, as I am always impressed with my Charlie's Nail Art supplies. Thank you all for taking the time to watch. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you all again in the next video. Lots of love, take care, bye bye.